There are some moments you just can't miss. So, because every moment counts, IN Media presents its new interactive wayfinding kiosk. Thanks to its many features, the kiosk offers your visitors simple, fluid navigation. With its design and screensaver, the kiosk is easy to spot and invites your visitors to use it. The kiosk offers a complete directory of all available services and care units, with a quick access screen. Thanks to the quick search function, your visitors can find their destination in just a few clicks. The animated trajectory appears on the interactive map to clearly show the route to be taken. The destination and next steps are displayed with the augmented reality view directly on the kiosk. Your visitors can then text themselves the link to the route, or by scanning the QR code visible on the kiosk. The requested route opens directly in the phone's browser, so there's no need to install a mobile application. The mobile navigation assistant and 360-degree images make finding your way around even easier, simply by following the navigation arrow and instructions. Get your bearings wherever you are. Use our navigation kiosks or scan our QR codes. These QR codes are geo-positioned, allowing any visitor to find their way from the position of the QR code they scan. You can easily integrate the navigation application into your website and into your SMS or email appointment reminder system to send directions to the appointment location, including parking and the nearest entrance. You can even prepare your visit from home from any device. So your visitors can also share the route they've prepared with other visitors by sharing the link to it. Choose intelligent navigation and offer your visitors a new way to find their way around with IN Media.